Today we're diving into the topic of the best iPhone for vlogging. With each new iPhone release, the camera quality tends to improve, making it a prime choice for vloggers. Currently, the iPhone 15 Pro Max stands out as the latest model with top-notch camera capabilities, making it ideal for vlogging. However, it's important to remember that vlogging isn't solely about camera quality. Engaging your audience and keeping them entertained is equally crucial. You have the flexibility to choose an iPhone that fits your budget and needs. Older models like the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, or even the iPhone X can still produce great vlogs. Creativity plays a significant role in vlogging success. Experiment with different video editing applications like CapCut to enhance your vlogs. Adding unique edits and making your content more engaging can significantly impact viewer retention. While the latest iPhone can elevate the quality of your vlogs, it doesn't guarantee better content. Focus on creating captivating and compelling vlogs that resonate with your audience, regardless of the iPhone model you use. In conclusion, choose an iPhone that suits your preferences and budget, and focus on creating high-quality, engaging vlogs that captivate your audience.